beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sabina here. Today's video is another unboxing video from none other than my favorite store, Dior. I am so excited. I need to stop going to this Dior store. Every time I go there, I find something there. I need to stop going to Dior and spending my money. I promised myself that I'm not going for a month now. I'll go maybe around Christmas time. I need to stop, seriously. So I went to the Dior store yesterday, and actually, you know, it was so funny. We went to eat lunch, and it's close to Dior store, so we're walking around, and I want to just show my sunglasses to Megan, the one that the sales associate. So sweet and wonderful. Make sure if you go to Dallas Dior store, ask for Megan. And so anyways, we just walked in to just say hi to Megan and just to want to show my sunglasses that I purchased, my new favorite sunglasses. And so we're just chatting and looking around, and this is all Brandon's fault, all his fault, because I did not even discover these things. He was looking around and he saw this, and okay, that's it. And I need this in my collection, so I got something from there. I got two things from Dior. Let me open this small one. So let me put this back here. I don't know, something about Dior is that I love Dior. So let's open this small bag first. And I want everything from there. I don't know why. I love there. I love everything from Dior. So the things I got is perfume. And this is Colle Noire. That's how you say. I don't know how you say. If I say wrong, then please don't say anything because I don't know how to say. So I'm gonna open this box. I like the box. Look at this. How good is their packaging? That's so good. This packaging is really, seriously, really good. So here is the perfume. I love this smell. I was thinking to get a small one, but I decided to go big one. This one is this one is 250 ml. I was thinking to buy this one when I was traveling in Doha, when I went to Nepal. And I was thinking like, oh, when I come back from Nepal, I will stop and buy it, and I forgot because I was just so sad and miserable after I left my family. I was so super homesick, and I was crying. I totally forgot all about the duty-free shop, and I was just like, you know, miserable. That's what it was. So anyways, if I bought in the duty-free shop, then of course I would save the tax, but it's okay. I got my favorite perfume, and it smells so good, guys. This is, if you have not tried this one, go in a store and try it. It just smells amazing. Smells like floral or something so fresh. I sprayed this yesterday and people were giving me a compliment like, you smell so good. So this is, and I love the bottle. And it's quite heavy and it's big. It's gonna last me a long time. But this is my first time I buying this perfume. So this is my new perfume, and I love the smells. So who doesn't like to smell so good, right? So here is my new perfume. So let me put this down. Let me put in the box before I break these things. So here goes the box right here. I like the box, like if you travel and you want to pack in a suitcase, this is perfect. Look at this box, it's so quite good. And my another purchase is, it's not that big. See, the bag is not that big. Why this doesn't like, I don't know why my camera doesn't like focus. Do you guys know that how to focus better? Please let me know. I don't know why it doesn't focus. I am still learning. So yes, here is a small box. Do you guess what is inside here? I left the door open because the weather is so beautiful, and then now dogs are barking. And our apartment is like down there is a big, beautiful, huge park, so people always walk around. And then walk around with your dogs. Oh, they stop now. Okay, anyways, this is in a small box. It's not very big. Let me show you what's inside here. I don't have this kind of stuff in my collection, so this is really something very different. You'll see it. Let me open this ribbon. Here is the box. Are you guys ready? Oh. It's inside here. It's very small. Something in this dust bag. This is my first belt bag. Isn't this the cutest thing? This is so cute. I love it. Look at this. This is so cute, and I do not have any oblique pattern. Look at this. Is so cute. This is a Dior saddle bag, oblique belt bag. I love this. I do not have anything in oblique, so I decided to get on the oblique, and they had so many beautiful colors. I like the other light color, but I chose this one because I'm always worried to get the color transfer. This is my new Dior oblique saddle belt bag. I do not have any belt bag, and I need this in my collection. This is so cute. I love the perfect size, and when I wore it, it just looks so beautiful. So let's open inside. So it definitely has a little opening here. This bag is a calf screen, so inside is a leather here, and it says Christian Dior, and here is the belt. Comes like this. This is a belt, and it has actually quite a big room. You have this here, and you have a little, you can put your card here, and it has even like a little chain here, see? You can put your more like money or whatever like in a card. And this is the authenticity card, Christian Dior, it says that. And just small and very simple bag. And in this bag here, it has a little loop here. You can put your belt inside here, and it's a CD here in both sides, and you can just go like this, and it looks like this, and you can put around your waist. This is so pretty. I love this Dior saddle oblique belt bag. This is so light and cute, and I can see myself wear this like all the time. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. This is so cute. I seriously need to go to stop like going in the Dior store. Every time I go there, I find something. Do you guys feel like that? I'll show you in the picture that how does this bag looks when I wear it. And this is my new bag, and now I have my new perfume and my new bag, and I'm just ready to go now. Oh, this is so pretty, so cute, perfect for me. I feel like this bag is just made for me. Beautiful. Anyways, this is my new belt bag. I have never wear belt bag before, so this is my first time, and let me see how often I'm going to use this one. The reason I chose the oblique is that I don't have anything on this pattern, and also I am kind of worried about the color transfer. And also Megan was telling me that if you buy the light colors, definitely the color will transfer, and I have everything is black. Most of the things are dead, are like darker colors, and I usually wear dark colors. I don't want any color to transfer in my bag, so I chose this one, and I think this is perfect for me. I love this bag. Oh, it's so pretty. So yes, that's all for today's video. That's what I got it from Dior. I hope you guys like this video. If you like, then what you need to do, you know that, give me a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel before you head out. Hit that red subscribe button down below. That's really helped me and my channel. And also when you guys subscribe me, I like to make a new friends. Also it helped me to grow my channel, and also I like to do better every day when I see more subscribers, so please do that and be a part of my YouTube family. If you already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you very much from bottom of my heart, and you guys don't know how I feel so grateful and thankful for that. So I hope you have a wonderful day and enjoy this fall weather before it's so cold outside. I'm heading out to have a lunch with my husband, and I'm gonna walk around. This is just so beautiful outside. So I will see you in my next video. Have a blessed day. I love you guys.